Welcome to video 2 intermediate course unit 1 lesson 1. Okay, and let's check the answer, guys. Let's see if you have the answers correct. All right, remember, if you have not subscribed to the video, to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button and share. All right, so let's check the answers to this. So the first one says, your English is very good. And the answer is, when did you begin to study English? When did? Here should be did. When did you begin to study English? The past of begin is began. Yes, we have to put the past of begin is began here. All right. It says, I began in middle school. And this question is, what did you think of the class at first? What did? What did you think of English, of the English class at first? The passive think. What is the passive think? If you don't know the passive think, remember, when you don't know the passive of any verb, you need to ask Google it, or ask Siri or the other girl, the other speaker, Alexa. All right, so ask one of them and they will give you the verb in past. So here the verb in past is thought. Yes, I thought it was a little difficult but fun. Where were you born? Here's the verb to be, W-E-R-E. Were is the past. Were is were. Sorry, guys. Yes, so where, were. Remember, were. So where were you born? I was born in Mexico. Were you, did. Here should be did. Did you grow up there? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I grew up. The past of grow is grew up. Change the O to E. Grew up. I grew up in Canada. All right, let's check the answers for this one. It says, where did you meet your best friend? We met. The past of meet is met. We met in high school. Do you still see each other? Yes, but not very often. She was. This one is, she went. The past of go is went. Yes, she went to South Korea 2 years ago. Or she moved to South Korea 2 years ago. What is the question? Did you have a favorite teacher? Yes, did. Did you have a favorite teacher when you were a child? W-E-R-E, the verb, el verbo to be, were. Yes, I did. I had a very good teacher named Miss Potter. I had. Yes, I did. I had. And then we have, what did he teach? So this is Miss Potter, no, Mr. Potter. I'm sorry, Mr. Potter. What did he teach? And the past of teach is taught. T-A-U-G-H-T, taught. Okay, he taught math. All right, so those are the answers for the first video, guys. All right, let's continue, guys. I'm gonna continue, and let's go to, I'm gonna go over here. All right, so here we have some, okay, hold on, here we go, guys. Let's practice some questions really quick. All right, and it says, all right, it says, where were your grandparents born? How do we answer that question? Where were your grandparents born? What we're talking about, your grandparents. We can say, my grandparents were born. In my case, my grandparents were born in San Luis Potosí, and my other grandparents were born in Monterrey. Or you can say, they were born in San Luis. Okay. Where did they grow up? Well, they grew up in Monterrey. Did you see them a lot when you were young? Did you see them a lot when you were young? No, actually I didn't. I only saw one of my grandmothers, only one. Who is your favorite relative? Well, my sister is the closest relative to me, but I love my mom and my daughter, Ketsia. I love all my everybody in my family, but the closest person to me is my sister from my siblings. Excuse me, guys. Question: when did you first study English? I first studied English when I was 7 years old. I lived in Texas, and that's where I first learned English. Can you speak other languages? No, I can't speak other languages yet. I'm learning Japanese. It's pretty easy and it's fun. Right now I am learning how to read hiragana. What were your best subjects in middle school? Middle school. Well, I think my best subject was maybe science and English. What subjects didn't you like? Well, I didn't like mathematics and I didn't like history either. What about you guys? Yes? All right. So answer those questions in your notebook. All right. And try to see if you can give complete sentences. Complete sentences. All right. Let's go. We're going to go to this part over here. All right. So it says, when I was a kid. The topic says, when I was a kid. Cuando era un niño. So it says, listen to the statements about changes. Are those true for you? So we're not going to listen to this. We're just going to read them. Are these true for you or not? All right. So it says, when I was a kid, I never used to play sports, but now I keep fit. I used to go with my friends a lot, but now I don't have any free time. When I was younger, I didn't used to collect things, but now I do. I didn't used to be a good student, but now I love to study and learn new things. I never used to follow politics, but now I read the news online every morning. I used to be really neat and organized, but now I'm very messy. I used to care a lot about my appearance. Now now I'm too busy to care about how I look. All right. So this is what we're going to see in the next video, guys. So stay tuned for the third video. All right. Because we're going to see used to. I'm going to show you how to use used to. All right. So let's stay for the next video, guys. And hold on. Yeah, we'll stay tuned for the next video, guys. And we're going to see used to. And I'm going to show you how to use used to. And el verbo es como decir solía en pasado. All right. So I'll see you next video, guys. Remember, subscribe to the channel and see you next video. And follow me.